Question number 12 of test series 7 is from geotechnical engineering from topic of index properties. Now in this question it is given that porosity or N of soil sample as 0.65 and it is asked that what is void ratio. Now there are two ways. One is simple cramming the formula and second one is going by logical definitions. So if we talk about the two definitions, let us say this is the soil mass which is having volume as Vx and this is the voids which is represented by volume of Vv. Now if we talk about definition of E or void ratio, it is volume of voids is to volume of solids and porosity is volume of voids is to total volume. So if we write volume of voids by E, then from equation number 1 this volume of solids will become 1 and total volume will become 1 plus E. So substituting all these values in equation number 2, we have N as volume of voids which is E upon volume of voids as 1 plus E, and now it is given that value of N is 0.65. So this is 0.65 upon E plus 1 plus E. So upon simplification we have value of E as 1.85. Now this basic diagram, it can be used to derive every relation that is related to index property. So students are advised to go through this method whenever they are attempting any question in GATE examination. So correct answer for question number 12 is E equal to 1.85. So C is the correct answer.